Hey everyone, welcome back to FixSoft channel. Today, we're taking a look at some upcoming Windows 11 features that Microsoft is currently testing in the insider builds. These updates are not available for regular users yet, but they could arrive in future public releases very soon. One of the biggest changes being tested right now is a new performance improvement feature for Windows 11 version 26H2. Microsoft is working on something called a low latency profile, which is designed to make Windows feel much faster and smoother during everyday use. The idea behind this feature is simple. Whenever you open something like the Start menu, File Explorer, Quick Settings, or even apps like Microsoft Store, Windows can temporarily boost CPU speed for a short moment to make everything load faster and feel more responsive. According to Microsoft's testing, this feature can improve app launch speeds by up to 40%, while overall system responsiveness may improve even more in some situations. Similar technology is already used in macOS and Linux, so it's interesting to finally see Microsoft bringing something like this to Windows 11 as well. One of the upcoming additions is improved gesture speed control for touchpads. Microsoft is testing new options that let users adjust how fast scrolling and zoom gestures respond, giving people more control over the overall touchpad experience. There is also a new single-finger scrolling option currently in testing. This feature allows vertical scrolling using just one finger from the side of the touchpad, which could help users who prefer simpler controls or accessibility-focused gestures. File Explorer is also getting several improvements in future Windows 11 updates. Microsoft is making the address bar more reliable and compatible with different file paths and commands. They are also improving the suggestion menu behavior, so it works more smoothly during searches. Another small but useful upgrade is better file size formatting. Instead of showing everything only in KB, Windows will now automatically display sizes in KB, MB, or GB, depending on the file size, making information much easier to read. One feature many users may like is the return of the refresh option directly inside File Explorer. It may sound simple, but it can still be useful when dealing with large file transfers, updated thumbnails, or folder changes. There are also several bug fixes and stability improvements being tested, including fixes for app launch problems, notification issues, and desktop shortcut reliability. Overall, these upcoming Windows 11 updates seem focused on improving speed, usability, and the overall experience rather than adding massive visual changes. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited about. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows 11 updates and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.